This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp. Are you looking for an IT bootcamp? In your journey with TS4U, you will get workshops and tasks every week, hands-on practice, technical tests and tasks, show and tell, mock interview. And we get paid fully only when you get a job. You can get affordable student loan. Become eligible for free tuition. We offer industry-demanding IT boot camps. Join now and start your IT engineering journey today with TS4U.
So my next question is, what are the most commonly used HTTP methods supported by REST?
Well, so in my project, I use the get, post, put, delete, and patch. These are the one in the e-commerce application mostly has been used. But there is more the method, but this is the one I have used and in my like a positive, negative, and all the testing.